There are various ways of classifying links. Links can be said to be of broadly two types: image links and text links. Text links are mainly of two types: do follow and no follow links. You can make an image clickable and add the no follow attribute to the link the image leads to. In this piece of code, image.gif is a clickable image and the rel is equal to no follow attribute is added to make the destination URL, which is in this case happydreams.com, a no follow link. Natural or editorial links you end up getting from other websites because of exceptionally good content, are the ones that are the most valuable. However, getting these kind of links is not easy, so most SEOs focus their efforts on non-editorial links. Links from guest posts, educational institutes, blog comments, infographics, Web 2.0s and the like are what most SEOs focus on, not to mention links from black hat methods like PBNs. But we will not discuss those here. There are lots of other kinds of links as well: forum profiles, guest book signatures, article directories, press releases, directory links, and more. We will discuss a few of these in the next few videos. In the past, you could blast several thousand links of all kinds, all with exact match anchors, and your pages would climb up the SERPs remarkably fast. But such methods do not work anymore and might sometimes be dangerous. Now, Google is trying to ensure only very good information-rich pages are at the top of the SERPs. If the information on a page is considered to be thin by Google, no amount of links may be able to help it rank well. Google's Panda update was aimed squarely at low-quality sites with thin content. Any site that has too little content will not be able to rank well in Google or stay in the top for long, even if it manages to evade Google's filters initially. It doesn't matter how powerful the links to the site are. If the content doesn't seem to be valuable in Google's eyes, it will not be able to perform well in the SERPs. So, you would want to focus on making each of your pages very valuable in the eyes of Google and get a few good links to your site. Not too many links of all kinds, but just a few good links. You would not want to get too many low quality links to your site. Sometimes, but not always, low quality links can end up actually hurting a site, and you certainly wouldn't want that to happen. In general, the more difficult a link is to acquire, the more valuable it tends to be. The easiest to get links are also the most abused by spammers, so these do not work very well anymore. In contrast, links that are really hard to get, editorial links, tend to be the most powerful. So, you would not want to get too many links from blog comments, forum profiles, and the like. These links are very easy to get, which is why a lot of spammers go after mostly such links. What's link diversity? If all of the links to your sites come from the same kind of sites and there is no diversity in your anchor text profile, that can be a very bad thing. When we talk about diversity, what we are really talking about are two things: diversity in the kind of sites that are linking to you and diversity in anchor text. Suppose our example mattress site has 100 links and all of them have the phrase best mattress in them. That would be a signal to Google and other search engines that we are trying to game the system. And further, if all of those 100 links came from WordPress sites, that would be another signal that it might not be natural. You want your link profile to look natural, and it should not be obvious to anyone looking at the links to your site that you might be trying to influence your rankings by building links. Ideally, a site will have several kinds of sites linking to it: blogs, HTML sites, niche relevant businesses and services, edu sites, and so on. In addition, The anchor text will be diverse as well. Brand name anchors, naked URL links, random anchor text, and so on. The site should have do follow and no follow links as well as image links. Such a backlink profile will look natural and will not cause any Google reviewer who may look at the site's backlink profile to conclude the site is trying to game the system. There are a lot of misconceptions about link diversity. Some people seem to think unless their sites have a diverse link profile, they will not rank well. That simply is not true. To rank, links to your sites must be relevant and have authority. As long as the links fulfill those conditions, you will rank. So, you will be able to rank well even without diversity. But that does not mean you do not need to care about link diversity. Not paying heed to link diversity could be a huge mistake. You see, you do not want to just rank, that's only half the game. What you really want for your site is to rank high and stay there. To accomplish that, it's important that your backlink profile be diverse and appear natural. But how diverse should your backlink profile be? We are not trying to build monstrously large sites here, so you do not need to have every kind of link imaginable. Very large sites like Wikipedia and Amazon tend to have lots and lots of links of every kind. Instead, you want to have a few different kinds of links and you want your anchors to be diverse. Diversity helps your backlink profile to appear natural. To rank, you need powerful links like guest posts and edu links. In addition to these powerful links, you would want to have links from press releases, video sites like YouTube, a handful of image links, and maybe a few links from audio sharing sites, as these can make your backlink profile to look more natural. That would be enough diversity in terms of types of links. So, guest posts and edu links deliver the power required to rank, while press releases, links from audio and video sharing sites, and image links make the backlink profile diverse. Regarding anchor text ratios, it's impossible to suggest exact numbers here. It's impossible to say something like have 10% brand name links, 60% naked URL links, 25% random anchors, 3% partial match anchors, and 2% exact match anchors. Formulas like that do not work. That said, you would want to limit the percentage of exact and partial match anchors and have mostly naked URL, brand name, and random anchors.